Yo guys, what's up? This is Sam, aka PARANDROID, and I recorded a new course for you where you can learn basically the whole process of writing a high-tech trance track. And I did some videos before, I did workshops before, I did a lot of education stuff before that, but I had a different approach. So this time is from beginning to the end, and I think it's a great approach. The students that took the course are really happy about it and they gave great feedback, so I wanted to clear out some questions that you might have for the video course in this video and address it directly. So first of all, what is the course? The course is a full class from start to finish on how to produce a high-tech psytrance track. I take you on a journey to do everything from recording, the rhythmics, mixing, synthesis, everything gets its fair share of time, obviously, because in the end we will have a finished product, a finished track. Right now there are 10 episodes, 5 are already released, 5 will get released really soon. So it's a full, comprehensive, high-tech trance learning course. So one other question that you might have is what do you need for the course? Basically just a DAW, headphones and PC. This is the bare minimum, and obviously some VST programs, but that's basically it. You don't need anything special, you do not even need speakers to learn. All you need is a PC and good headphones and an audio card if possible, but if not, then it's also not necessary. What is important obviously is something like Cubase, Ableton, Fruity Loops. You need some DAW to actually do the sound. I recommend Cubase, and I'm also using Cubase in the video. So what's different about the course from the other videos from Instinct Learning? As I mentioned before, what's different is that you can really go from start to finish, and it's a lot more detailed than the other courses because of that. Then another question is, what is included? So included is not only the video footage of the lesson. Included is also all samples that I recorded basically myself, all samples that I used. The presets also obviously that are used are in the project saved. So it's a bunch of stuff for you to download apart from the video courses. And obviously if you have any questions about the courses, I will be there for you to answer those as well. And maybe as a last question to answer is, what will you learn? You will learn all kinds of different techniques. It's really, would be a very long list if you write everything down, but I can tell a few, so it's like for sure you will learn about compression, mixing, synthesis, recording, arrangement, macro arrangement and micro arrangement, because it's two things, you know, in the smaller parts and bits and in the bigger picture. So you have a wide range of stuff that you will learn about, and I'm happy that my students are so happy about the course that I got great feedback. I also wrote something about the course on www.instinct-learning.com where you can just like read a little bit more in detail, and there are also all the products and you will see which plugins are used. So there's a lot of information on the website. I recommend you just go there and check it out, and then you can see if it's interesting for you. So thanks for watching and see you guys soon hopefully. Bye bye.